What's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode. If you guys don't want to miss the rest of the Africa series, which there's this video and one more, and the last one being very, very special and very unique. But if you guys don't want to miss these last two videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Guys, thank you so much for watching. This video was hilarious. Let me put it this way. This video right here and this particular afternoon basically sums up the entire week that we had at in Africa with Baby Sippel Safaris. All the laughter and all of the jokes and that funny dancing and like everything, like the humor that is in this video, that sums up our entire week with Baby Sippel Safaris. I mean, we had so much fun. We laughed our butts off. Now, we get to South Africa, and I knew that there was a lot of different species of birds there, and I wanted to shoot some, like the guinea fowl, but there weren't any guinea fowl in this particular area. But there were lots of other birds. My dad, being a big bird hunter, he wanted to shoot a bunch of these birds as well. And so I thought it'd be really cool to try to kill one with a bow and never got around to it. They have birds like sand grouse and francolins and guinea fowl off this particular property per se, but just to name a few in South Africa, some of the ones that we saw while we were hunting were incredible. I mean, so pretty, so beautiful. But anyways, this is a bird hunting video, and I hope that you guys will enjoy this video. I thought it would be really fun to share it. Now, when we first started out, we were shooting ringneck dove, Eurasian dove, which we also have here in the States, here in Texas. I've shot plenty of them here, and they're very good eating, but they're also in South Africa as well. So we were basically waiting for that perfect hour to go start hunting sand grouse, and the dove were like the funnest, best target. So we hunted dove for a minute, and then we transition over into some sand grouse.
Oh, go down!
Yeah, I should have got that one because I was hanging right at this.
Oh.
Dave, let me just quickly check this rock.
Oh.
I saw a feather.
Gosh dang, that was loud.
That's very loud. Oh.
I don't know. I don't know.
Just hold on, Daisy. Close your ears. What's in front of us?
Aim at a turd, man.
Yeah, that's what. But like, is there anything in front of us?
No, it's fine.
That's shooting very high.
Hey, oh, what?
I hit him,
No way. Yeah, you nailed him.
He's gonna go down there.
Even our dubs are tough.
Son of a gun.
Stop. I should probably stop shooting.
Hey, look, straight ahead.
Right in front. Oh, you're dead.
Oh.
That's one after saying that was gonna make a cool video. I hope you put that in the video.
Yeah. Crap.
You see that one there?
I feel like that's going to make the behind the scenes footage.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
If he hits it, you're both downing brand new beers.
Don't move.
He's gonna flat out miss.
He hit it.
That's not easy.
No, he hit it. I saw him hit it.
Feathers.
You can't zoom it. There's no zoom.
Well, that's why we're struggling, boys.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, let me show you.
Stop talking.
If only my driver was better.
Right here.
Through a whole tree.
Right there.
I can't shoot it through the whole tree. Keep going, Dempsey. Keep driving.
Do it anyway. Do it anyway. Do it. He's gonna fly.
He's gonna fly. He's gonna fly.
Okay.
Stop.
Stop.
Kill him, kill him, kill him. Oh no!
Could you?
Oh my.
If I did
That was a
drop
dead dove. That was a dead dove, Dimps.
What?
That was a dead
that
dove.
was so close.
Don't move.
No freaking way! No way! Oh my gosh! What in the world?
That's why I got gentlemen.
Oh my gosh!
Do you know why I've been missing it? Because all you guys have been moving.
Me too, that's a good excuse.
Oh my gosh!
Check out this unit just running towards us.
A unit. Where'd you hit him?
Just like 1/8 of an inch off the heart.
Shoot!
Exactly where you hit.
Don't be lying to me now, Greg.
Oh.
Heck yeah! Nailed him.
Don't put him on my trunk. He's gonna bleed.
We're gonna see a
Wounding
bird.
doves with stingers.
Actually, a bird. After
Sinner.
540 shots.
doves with singers. We are missing doves.
So many feathers.
There you guys, that's a ringneck dove for you.
Oh yeah.
If you just want me to keep shooting, just let me know.
Screw you. Get back in the truck and keep driving.
If we're gonna eat, yeah.
We know there's steak back at camp.
Yeah.
Hey, I think he was more excited for the dove than he was the warthog.
Hey, that's a hard shot.
That was a hard shot. Oh my gosh, these are so cool. Golly. Yeah. You never realize how pretty they are until you have one in your hands. They're gorgeous.
You see, we've got a couple of different ones now, different species, but yeah, they're gorgeous birds.
Oh wow.
So what's interesting about a sandgrass, they're able to fluff these front feathers here.
Yeah.
And what they do is they hold water droplets in their feathers and they fly back to the nest, and then the babies will stick their beaks in there and drink that water.
That's so cool.
Hell of interesting.
Yeah. Wow. Hey, there's another one. There's another one on the other side of the tank. On the other side of way over there. Got him.
Send Ricky.
How cool are these things?
That's so cool.
They're so awesome.
But you shot a female there. You want to finish it off with a 9mm?
Yeah, go ahead. Let's see what you got. Hey, look, there's another one. Let me see it. Let me see it. He's gonna walk to the water. This one right here, Brad. In front. Wait, Brad.
Take the second one. Just behind it. On the other side.
It's so much fun.
Here comes one in. James, I reckon if we just leave them there, they'll stay.
Probably can, yeah.
Yeah, let's try leaving one in.
Those were so
Congrats,
cool.
man.
Thank you. Those were so awesome.
No, they're coming, they're coming.
Yeah.
Right here, Peyton, right here, on the left.
Hey, there's another one. There's another one. He's committing suicide right now.
This is hot action, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, there's a couple in front there, Peyton. Go for it.
Oh, underneath. Hey, there's a bunch off to the left.
Grab the gun, I'll film you.
Okay.
There you go for it. Wait, shoot the second one, shoot the second one. He's gonna land again, he's gonna land again.
You're out of ammo.
These are sandgrass problems. Brad, there's two over there on the left.
Yeah, got him. What?
No worries, they'll come back. Coming in hot. Coming in hot. There they are. I bet you I did it. Donked him. Brad, you mind if I shoot one?
No, go ahead. Yeah.
I've actually never shot one before.
Really?
I've shot and lost one, but I've never shot one.
Dibs, right here in front.
Where? Is it live?
Yeah.
One close to us.
Right here. I got him. Nailed him.
Hang on, let me take a double.
Oh, you got him. This is too much fun. Hey, right there on the other side.
There's three of them on the other side.
Shoot that one that's still alive, man, you know.
Oh, you hit him.
Good work, okay. Leave him. He's done.
Get one of those on the other side now.
See three.
You want to see through the sky.
Oh, right on the
I pulled it.
That's okay. And reload the mag. Okay. So you put one on the far side, three in front here, eh? To the right.
Here, let me hold it.
Yeah, they're coming in hot, boys.
Is there another one in it?
Go for it, Brad.
Go. Somebody get him. Right there, off to the left.
Just to the left there. Sina, come on this door here. It's a close one. Oh, he's tonked him. Wait, they're coming.
There's one just that landed here.
Wait, no. He's a bat. They're coming. Here we go. Ooh, yes, they come out. There's one there.
Here,
Right,
I'll
give it to Brad.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, Brad, your camera just went off.
It's alright.
That's fine, it's recording.
Oh, yeah.
Smoked him.
Down here.
We need more ammo. Where's the ammo?
Yeah.
There's one right here by the tree.
Has he got one in it?
Yeah. Hey, right here on this side. Close to us.
Safety.
Hey, right, yeah. Oh!
Catch him, Christina.
He's got his hand on his 9.
I hit that one, didn't I?
Get him. He got him.
We just don't want to lose any birds.
Pop his head off.
Oh, two just landed on the far side.
Yeah.
This is so much fun.
You picked up 3 now.
Yeah.
Good work.
Hey, right there, right here on this side.
I see the under.
Yeah.
Yeah, got him.
Nailed him. Oh, he's waddling
no,
off.
He's still walking. You shot him low.
You still see him, Peyton?
He's right in between the tree.
That's fine, just leave him. He's gonna go down now.
Got him.
Over him.
Oh.
Yeah, didn't that tonk him?
I think
No.
that finished him.
That tonked him, dude.
Oh, right here on the left.
The water.
Right here on the
Yeah.
left. You got him?
Yeah.
Got him.
Spotted him.
Nailed him.
Okay, boys, what do you think we call it quits for the carnage for now and recover our birds?
Okay. I don't know how many we have down, but it's a bunch.
The problem with the sandgrasses, you've got a very short window of opportunity.
Yeah, definitely. These things are so pretty. Wow. Yeah.
Look at this one, Brad. There's a female. Check out that breast there.
Oh, yeah.
Gorgeous, man.
Super
Do you want to put
gorgeous.
some lights in there?
I think these are double banded.
Yes,
eh?
please.
So actually, hang on. Put this one down. Pick this one up. Okay, so look at this. This is the difference between a male and a female.
Oh, wow.
Interesting, eh?
Yeah.
You can also see it in the heads as well.
Yeah, yeah.
See there.
That's awesome.
Beautiful, eh?
Mhm.
Stunning little birds.
Yeah.
Very unique.
You can see this is a different species.
Well, let's take our bag and head back, boys.
How cool is that?
Check this one. Check this one.
Yeah.
So it's
pretty.
actually dead. It's just the reflexes moving.
So pretty.
Beautiful birds.
So
Got
cool.
a pretty good bag, man.
Yeah.
I've got 3 in my hands here.
I've got 3 in my hands. How many? You don't have any.
I've got a beer.
you got a beer.
Probably not good to sell.
So I told you guys it was going to be very funny, and very funny it was. Like, I promise you, I laughed my butt off the entire time I sat there and edited this video. Like, it was hilarious. Between Dempsey dancing and everybody just hooping and hollering and having a good time. It was something else. I thoroughly enjoyed this video. It was one of my most favorite to edit. But either way, I hope that you guys just enjoyed this silliness, because that's what it was. It was just absolute silliness. I mean, we shot so many birds. I think we ended up with probably 12 or 15. And it was really cool for me to be there when Dempsey shot his first one. Well, technically he had shot a sandgrouse before, but shot one and recovered it. It was really neat to see him put his hands on them too. Like, that was just something else. And for him to shoot his first one and recover it. Whatever. I'll quit blabbering now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love each and every one of you guys. Y'all are amazing. And again, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Leave me a big old thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.